This video we will discuss about definition of artificial intelligence. So the learning objectives are definition of AI, where we will highlight what is AI, building blocks of AI. In this concept we will go with components that are actually making AI, and at the end we will discuss why do we need AI. Let's proceed with definition of AI. So what is actually AI? It is an artificial intelligence. You can say it is a tool or technology that uses its own algorithm to train the machine or device to make a prediction or decision without any human interfere. So it is by using its own algorithm make a machine capable of making a decision, especially those decisions which are difficult to make for human beings. So let's go with the definition. Artificial intelligence is the term used to train the machine or computer on algorithms to perform real life tasks without being interrupted by humans. Yes, and it provides the ability for machines to think like a human and result in human like solution based on their intelligence. Let's discuss now building blocks of AI. So in this concept, we are going to further highlight that what are the components AI made of, what actually things that are building the AI devices. So these devices are nothing but the internal components of our mind that are essential to establish the intelligence, and these factors are thinking level, mathematics, computer science, neurons study. Let's discuss this in detail. So, thinking level. An AI model can think and make decisions. It is based on the model's ability to understand and learn from data, as well as its ability to reason and solve problems. So, thinking level defines here that an AI model works as same as a human works. Means when a human thinks about the problem and goes inside the problem and find out solution. So what he's doing actually that he is making a plan in his mind and out the efficient solution, and this is the same way an AI model works. It takes the algorithm and data and learn from those data and solve the problem. Next point is mathematics. So mathematics is not just a language, but it is a key of science and engineering to build the AI models, because it is used to analyze data, help algorithms, and measure the performance of AI models. With this, we have come to the next point, that is computer science, and it is all about the study of computers, that how they work, how they react on the problem, how they analyze the problem. So it is essential for building AI models, as it provides the tools and techniques needed to design, develop, and deploy AI systems. Now we have the last point that says neuron study. So neuron study is all about the study of brain that helps to building the blocks, and these are responsible for sending, receiving signals, and they are the foundation of human intelligence. By studying how neurons work, scientists can learn how to build AI models that are more intelligent and human like. Why do we need AI? So there are many reasons that we are actually looking for AI to solve human real life problems. And one of those reasons are here that AI enables to build of software more effectively and accurately with cost saving plans. Yeah, this is right. When in earlier times we did not have AI and technologies that could help to build the software, then that time we used to have the greater expensive plans to build the software. But now, since we have the access of AI, so these AI technologies are helping us to build the software effectively with the cost saving decision plans. The next point comes with AI, where we can handle some of the biggest human problems such as detecting health issues, finance fraud detection, traffic issues, and marketing, etc. Yes, we have so many practical examples where AI is implementing impressive technologies to save human lives. For example, in the health sector, we have AI models deployed to detect the big issues related to disease, for example, cancer, or even though here AI models can analyze the disease in further where human cannot do this. And apart from this, in banking sector, we have employed AI models to detect the fraud. For example, when an unauthorized transaction is being taken place, then where AI model comes into the role to detect that fraud. And the another point is that AI can be used to build high level intelligent robots to protect security in the military, defense sector, etc. So we have another point as well, where a well personalized customer service on demand by using personal assistants like Google Assistants, Siri, Alexa, etc. we have. So when I call to the Alexa, play a movie, it does. So this is a personalized AI models that is taking the user input and performing to make it complete. Another example we have, AI can be used to enhance the power of problem solving to increase the solving capacity of a human. Yes, when we need to solve a problem and we get the extra help from the AI models, then it increases our capacity to solve the problem and reach out to the efficient decision process. And with this, we have so many another points where AI models have been implementing its own way to solve out the human problems. Now, with this, we have come to the conclusion that says a machine doesn't necessarily have to work with a human to operate it every time. Instead, we all just need to build a pre-programmed machine that is trained on AI algorithms to make human decisions, problem solving, etc. Thank you so much for watching this video. This video ends here. Have a great day.